Welcome, I'm Dennis Quaid. Every day, new ideas pave the way for a better tomorrow. In this story, we are highlighting some of the most interesting and innovative developments impacting the world around us. Here's one such example.
There are few things that people treasure more than special moments and relationships. For car collectors, rescuing classic vehicles is one of them. Preserving, restoring, or upgrading them out of love, passion, or sentimental value. Often, these automotive enthusiasts simply add their classic cars onto a regular auto insurance policy, without realizing that mainstream auto insurance is not suited to protect their additional financial investment to restore, modify, or improve their classic car from the original factory options and equipment. Special cars deserve special coverage. Collector car insurance protects these unique vehicles differently with agreed value coverage. An agreed value policy provides peace of mind and certainty of always knowing the insured value of their classic car in the event they experience a total loss.
What we're doing is bringing people together that are like-minded, love cars, and it's interesting to see our show fields continue to grow each year. I think the passion comes from everything that stems from the car itself. It's everything. It's the vision of the car. They're beautiful, depending on what car you like and what you aspire to own down the road. The collector car itself is very important. Some people want to go above and beyond. They want that car perfect. They can spend a ton of money on restorations and enhancements to the cars, and it's so imperative to have the proper insurance.
Collector's insurance can provide peace of mind for classic car collectors and vintage vehicle enthusiasts alike, tailoring policies and helping buyers select appropriate limits and coverages. The goal is to make it easier to obtain an agreed value collector policy personalized for the purchaser. So whether an accident occurs and repairs are needed, or it's a total loss incident, owners can be certain that their investment is secure.
Regular auto insurance does a good job at settling accidents on daily driven vehicles, which generally depreciate in value and are easily repaired or replaced. Owners of classic or collector vehicles often invest a significant amount of time, money, and effort to rescue, restore, and personalize their vehicles. These cars aren't driven on a daily basis and they generally don't appreciate in value. So if they're damaged, you can't easily take them to your neighborhood mechanic to get them repaired. Or if they're totaled, it's really difficult to determine the value of the vehicle after the accident. These gaps help to create a relatively new type of auto insurance called collector car insurance. We've always focused on understanding the needs of people in the hobby and on enhancing our insurance policy to provide the types of protection that the collectors need and expect. We provide protection for collectors because our insurance policy is designed by collectors.
There is an entire community ecosystem of collectors sharing a similar love for classic and vintage cars. In the U.S., there are over 14 million vehicles in operation that are 25 years old or greater. The car collecting hobby has survived despite technological innovation, economic recession, and a global pandemic. This is an enduring pastime that may persist as long as there are vehicles to drive and display.
I think a lot of people that get new into the hobby don't realize there's a thing out there called agreed value coverage. And it allows you to cover your car for what the replacement cars are worth, as opposed to, going through your traditional auto insurance companies.
Car enthusiasts tend to have a special affinity for the popular cars of their formative years. This means that the most desirable collector car models will continue to change and evolve over time. Our goal is to enable the hobby to evolve for each generation of collectors.
The right classic car insurance may help provide the security collectors need, so they're free to follow the road wherever it may take them.
We're glad you could join us today. I'm Dennis Quaid. See you next time.